Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to this new video. And you can see us. We are at different place now. But we are here because at the home there is many distractions. Like when we shoot the video, our family members comes and talk to and disturb us. So that's why we come here. And we are at I think airport side. So let's talk to my friend. What happened today? So Rohan. Uh, what were you doing and what was the sorry what do you want to say? Simple question.
I want to say something. When you call me,
Yeah,
when you called me,
yeah,
I am busy.
I was busy.
I was busy.
Yeah,
That's why I didn't attend you.
yeah,
That's why after that I am free, and I call you. After that
call you.
I called you.
Yeah,
I called you, and hello Sandeep, are you free? Sandeep says, yes, I am free. Then let's go and shoot. Then after that, Sandeep, uh, came at my home and go to the airport. Went to the airport, and now we are here, and we are shooting the video, and that's it.
yeah. Now I want to ask a question like what do you feel or what do you feel the distractions to shoot at the home?
So many things, like your family,
Yeah,
TV, and TV still running for 10 hours. This is so too much, and this is the biggest distraction because of noise. That's why this is the biggest distraction, and many more. But I don't want to say.
okay. And now what to say? Do you want to ask any question to me?
Mm, so how do you the free case over? How do you feel?
I am feeling sorry. I am feeling very good because we are shooting, and you know what? I like to shoot videos like this, and also I want to improve. So I also like to speak in English with you, and you know we came. Sorry, we used to come at regularly basis. Our English, were our speaking were
Improve.
improved.
Improve.
Yeah, that time was best, and we made it again. So we come here,
Yes,
okay. And anything else?
we came here.
Sorry, we came here. I think we felt very difficulty to speak in past indefinite tenses.
This is difficult.
Yeah,
In the we are confused when present tense and past or indefinite.
yeah.
So many confusion.
But it will be clear at the स्पीकिंग मतलब बोलते बोलते सब सही हो जाएगा आई थिंक मुझे लग रहा है
Practice is more important. That's
yeah
it.
because
If you
you
are prac-
yeah
if you practice daily, you can improve and you can speak. But if you can't practice, you can't speak. Friends, just practice.
yeah and you know our earlier day when we tried to speak no our earlier day जब पहले मतलब when we tried to speak in English we speak like what do you feel like this and now we can easily speak what do you feel now
What do you
and
feel now?
like these things
Like,
So practice is much important. So practice and practice.
and practice.
Yes, and practice.
And anything else, Sandeep?
No. Do you want anything?
What do you think? This video is shoot good or not?
Yeah, it is okay. It is good, I
This
think.
video is shooting good or not? I think
Yeah.
this is right.
Yeah. It is good.
I think light is coming from there,
Yeah.
and I think shadow will be correct. Shadow is correct.
So, is there any problem in our visuals, in our audio, or other anything? You can comment so we can improve also that thing.
And anything else? Or let's stop that.
There are a lot of things in my mind to speak, but I think video will be
Very Hindi.
video will be lengthy and like these things. That's why I don't speak.
So
What?
stop.
Yeah, okay. Do you want to say anything?
I don't know.
Okay. So,
How to end?
how to end? we will write a script how to end. Like subscribe our channel, comment and like, share. दबा के like और share कर दो. Yeah, like this. But I don't want like this. Just say thank you for watching and like this.
Like this.
Not like this. Like this ending.
I know.
Yeah.
I am kidding.
Yeah. So now, what to do?
What to do? This is the question. This is question. It disturbed me.
Oh, it disturbs me.
It disturbs me.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a very grammatical mistakes. Yeah.
We can improve. Don't worry about it.
It disturbs me.
Yeah.
And what is the sense? What is the tense?
Present simple.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
You're right. You're right, my brother.
Yeah.
And I ask a question.
What?
For example, when you go to the market
Yeah.
and do you want to buy something,
Hmm.
so what did you say? Sorry, what will you say?
Oh. I will say to shopkeeper like, what is the price of this item? What is the price? And what discount is it? Sorry, what discount is on? Like this. And I will bargaining and bring that project, buy that product and take it to home
Oh,
like this.
nice. After that, take it to home.
Yeah.
And what do you want to buy?
What do you want to buy? मतलब no such things at this time. No such things in my mind. What to buy? But do you want to say like this? If you have a lot of money, then what do you want to buy? Like this?
I'm like, I don't know, but I want to traveling.
Oh. No, but I said you like when you have a lot of money like this or like at this situation, because we don't have money now. And what do you want to buy? Like this question. What do you want to say? When you have money or at this time?
At this time, I have money.
मतलब तू बोलना क्या चाह रहा, मैं ये नहीं समझा. जैसे कि मान लो तेरे पास पैसे होते तो तू क्या खरीदना चाहता है, ऐसा बोलना चाह रहा है, या अभी तू क्या करना चाह रहा है, क्या मैं समझा नहीं. मतलब मैं इस टाइप से.
मेरे पास अगर पैसा, if I have money,
या
I don't want to buy anything. Just जो जरूरत होती है, to need for you,
Yeah.
like clothes. So this is important for me. and just traveling.
Oh, yeah, I would also like.
Agree.
Yeah, I would like to go like Himachal Pradesh,
Mm.
Himalayas type,
Mm.
and Kerala,
Mm.
like these places, natural places,
Yes, yes.
like hills, rivers, mountains, like
Yeah.
these things.
When will we come?
That-
When will it come?
That time can come, but we don't want to start. It can't come in our life.
We don't want to start. What do you say? What are you
Like,
saying?
like how can we go there? Tell me about it, Pele. First of all, tell me about it.
Need money
Need money. How money can come
from this.
from this? How? Because we are not serious
I
on
know.
our YouTube channel.
Your career. It depends on your career.
But career is okay. For example, I
What's
got
your
a,
job?
for example, I will get a job
Hmm.
and I will have money.
Hmm.
But there is no holiday because I am in a company, so I can't take a single holiday.
Hmm.
So how can I go to travel?
It's your problem. I don't know.
I know, but
I think you leave it.
no, bro, I can't leave it.
You should leave it. Sir.
No, because I'm working as a, matlab, I'm working as an employee.
Hmm.
So if I need
Money.
I need money,
Hmm.
so I have to work there.
Yes. I think you have a holiday for, I think, matlab, 1 year.
After 1 year.
After 1 year.
Oh, matlab,
You can go.
You want to say like I have to work for 1 year, then I will take leaves, then we will go to
Anywhere.
travel.
Anyway.
But I think it is not possible because
I am not on here right now.
no, because it is not possible because when we go for a job,
Hmm.
when we will go for a job,
Hmm.
there is many responsibilities on our head.
Oh, on our head.
Maybe it is correct or not, I don't know about that.
In my
So,
life.
anything. So we will have many responsibilities, so we can't take a single leave, and maybe some days we can leave, but most of the time we don't have much time to go anywhere. So because you can imagine when we were in our school life, when we were in our school, there is a lot of time to spend with our friends to playing, but now in this situation we don't have time.
Yes.
So how can we go for traveling?
Nowadays.
But
Yeah.
I have an idea. I think I can see only one idea
Hmm.
to achieve all these things. Only YouTube.
Yes, you are right. Please support.
If you if you if you want to travel all over the world, we can travel only with the help of YouTube,
Hmm.
because it is it is also a source of income where we can just speak like this. People can engage with us.
Hmm.
People can learn with us, and we can earn money. Not too much, but enough money to travel the world.
Yes, you are right.
Yeah.
But
So we have to keep it up.
let's see.
We have to keep it up, so money can come.
And
But now-
money can come. No.
मतलब
Money.
कैसे बोलेंगे यार इसको? चलो कि वही मैं तुम्हारे पैर पड़ता हूँ, लाइक करो,
Money.
शेयर करो,
अच्छा यूं
ऐसे आएंगे हम घूमने जाएंगे लाइक दिस. बट
पर हमको बोलेंगे फिर बोलेंगे हम तो फिर भी बोलेंगे.
no, I will not say.
Why?
Not to say. No, there is no problem to say like this.
Just
मतलब
say.
दिया लाइक कर दो, शेयर कर दो, सब्सक्राइब कर दो ताकि पैसा आए. ये हालांकि हमारी शायद तीसरी वीडियो और पैसा की भीख मांगा रहा हूँ, अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है.
10 व्यूज तो आ जाएगा अपने को. 10 ही आ जाए. क्यों 10 व्यू तो आया 10 व्यू
हाँ व्यूज इम्पोर्टेंट है. मनी तो ठीक है, मनी ठीक है, आएगी तो आएगी, नहीं तो नहीं आएगी.
ये सब है
Because अरे मनी का सोच नहीं. आई एम नॉट थिंकिंग अबाउट द मनी, बट आई एम जस्ट सेइंग टू यू लाइक दिस. If money will come, then we can go for traveling like this. I'm just saying to you, I don't want
money
to make money from this.
I don't want
I'm not saying if YouTube will give money to us, then why I will reject that? I will accept.
YouTube come and Sandeep please take money please
I will take. Now
I think what's the time right now
टाइम हो चुका है 7:22.
and what do you think video duration
Maybe 10 minutes or above.
so what now
We should off the video.
I think it's too much
Okay.
okay bye friends
Bye bye. Tata.
bye see you again
And keep support English.
support English with sorry English with English
English with English.
bye
Tata.